Part 4. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several short talks by a single speaker. These talks will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each talk, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, Patricia. It's Connor. I just received an email notification from the government's Residential Safety Agency. There's a new regulation for residential properties in Dublin. It requires all rental units to have at least one fire extinguisher that the tenants can easily access. The apartment on 2nd Street is obviously a concern. So could you purchase extinguishers and put one in each unit of that building? We'll need 20 in total, and they have to be put in as soon as possible. I'd do it myself, but I'm out of town right now on vacation. I really appreciate the help.
Number 89.
What did the speaker recently receive?
Number 90.
What does the speaker mean when he says, "The apartment on 2nd Street is obviously a concern"?
Number 91.
Why is the speaker unable to perform a task himself?
Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following talk.
It's great to see you all here at this meeting of the Urban Farming Association. As some of you may already know, the environmental organization Green World generously granted our group funding this month in the amount of $10,000. This money was given to us so that we can continue to plant community gardens around town. At Green World, their mission is to educate people about how eating locally grown food can strengthen the environment, and they believe that our effort to increase urban farming matches well with their vision. Now, Carla Jones, a representative from the organization, has been invited here tonight to say a few words. Let's give her a warm welcome.
Number 92.
What did Green World recently do?
Number 93.
What does the speaker say about Green World's mission?
Number 94.
What will most likely happen next?
Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following telephone message and form.
Mr. Gomez, this is Stan Halbert calling from TopTech. I'd like to let you know that I'm done upgrading your computer. I was able to install all of the components you requested, except for one that is no longer made by the manufacturer. I included another model that is comparable in terms of performance, but $30 cheaper. So you will pay $110 rather than the $140 I originally quoted you. Since we're closed next Monday, you should stop by our facility on Tuesday. You can get the computer any time that day.
Number 95.
Why is the speaker calling?
Number 96.
Look at the graphic. Which component was unavailable?
Number 97.
What will the listener most likely do on Tuesday?
Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following announcement and schedule.
Attention passengers, you're riding on train 231 from Florence to Zurich. Please note that due to our late departure, we now expect to arrive in Bologna at 11:30 a.m. Our stopover in Bologna will not be cut short. However, we will spend only 20 minutes at the station immediately following Bologna instead of 40 minutes as originally planned. If you'd like to buy sandwiches or beverages, please make your way to the dining car at this time. Also, while passengers are allowed to move about the train, we ask you to remain seated as much as possible. It is important to keep the aisle clear for other travelers. Thank you and have a pleasant trip.
Number 98.
Look at the graphic. Which station will have a shorter stopover than scheduled?
Number 99.
According to the speaker, how can listeners get refreshments?
Number 100.
What are listeners asked to do?